Did you misplace your Vodafone SIM card or fear it might be stolen? Don't worry, because this video will show you how to block it in few minutes to prevent unauthorized access to your phone number. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and let's get to it. To block your Vodafone SIM, you can head to the Vodafone store. To locate the stores, you can search My V Store Locator. Then you can select your state, select your city, and select your locality. You can also select the distance radius. I'll keep it minimum. Select the store type, which is V Mini Store or V Store. Click on search. Now note the address of the store and head there and ask them to block your SIM. The second way to block your Vodafone SIM is via the website. Head to myv.in/block your SIM. Enter your mobile number and you will get an OTP on your alternate number or an email address. Enter your number and you are good to go. Open the Vodafone app and then tap on the help button at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on report SIM lost. Here enter the mobile number that you want to block and then tap on get OTP to block SIM. Now after you tap on that button, Vodafone will send an OTP to your alternate number or email ID. Enter that OTP, answer the questions that the company will ask, and you're good to go. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is Hemant signing off.